Hey, how you doing? Pat here with Pat's Rides. What did the UPS man bring me today? Yeah, I'm sure you know by the title of this video, but let's open it up and find out. Okay, I gotta set this down. Yes, it is my Mosko tank bag. This is the Mosko Pico tank bag that I'm gonna put on my 2019 GSA. Yes, it's small, but this is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something small and waterproof, and this is exactly what I got. They are out of the cell phone holder that goes on here, but I'll be buying that when it comes in stock, roughly October of 2020. At least that's what they told me. Right now it's August of 2020. And I'll be back in a bit when I go to put this on the bike. Okay, I really couldn't film me putting it on because I'm good home alone and needed 4 hands, but here it is. It's installed. It's not going anywhere. And I'm gonna try to make this to where you can see it. Here are the straps that hold the front on. I know you're not going to be able to see this, but I'm going to try. I wrapped it around that part of the bike here, part of the frame. Maybe this shot will work a little bit. You can see how I wrapped everything down here, and actually under here, let me get my hand out of the way. Under here is another buckle that kind of tightens this loop around the frame of the motorcycle here. Hope that works a little bit better. But that's what holds the front, and then I can just flip these out of the way. I still have access to that. I just lay it here on the tank at that point. And then for now, I use my own wire ties, even though they supply them. But as you can see, I ran the straps down here. The buckle, I was able to tuck in this gap between the seat. And temporarily, you can see I haven't even cut the wire tie end off yet. I'm not going to until I'm happy with what's going on. And I just tied it around here. Now let me take you to the other side of the bike and I'll show you what I did. And then over here, I just kind of did the same thing. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to stick with this yet or not, but I tucked it in here. Temporarily speaking, this is what we have. And this is the Mosko Pico 2, I believe it is. But it's a little guy, but that's what I wanted, just something to maybe throw my cell phone in, some money in. I know I'm gonna have a trip coming up next year where I've got a lot of toll booths to deal with, and something like this will be perfect for it. And this is not a sponsored video. I paid my $110 for it, but anyway. If you got anything out of this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.